Hello guys, here is a new InfoFi platform that has just launched on Telegram, and this is the first of its kind on Telegram. And you all know that every first project that normally brings launch out with a different unique product often do very well when it comes to airdrops and rewards generally. So here is the first InfoFi airdrop that has just launched, and there are about 1 million rewards, and currently there are about 3 projects that are conducting a campaign here on this InfoFi platform. So what we are going to be doing is to access the project directly on Telegram. All right, and so to enable us earn the rewards from this Telegram project, InfoFi project, we are just going to be doing few tasks. We are going to be connecting our Telegram account, and then we'll connect our X handle and wallet for future rewards. So that's what I'll be showing you in this video. So if you're new in this channel, ensure you subscribe to the channel, join the Telegram group to stay updated and when rewards are going to be distributed and further announcements. So without further ado, let's get started. Just click on the link that I'll be dropping right at the video description. Go and copy the link, and then you hit that button. You click on join, and then to open up this, just go ahead and tap on TONSO AI. You tap on it. As soon as you tap on it, it's going to open up the page, the next section where we are going to be doing the needful things. So here is the interface of the app. So now to start the project, you have to this here is the interface. You just have to click on where you have this profile. You tap on it. As soon as you tap on it, you just go ahead and connect your wallet right here. And then as soon as you connect your wallet, you come down here, connect your channel, and then you come over here and connect your Twitter wallet. So now how do you do that? The first thing to do is to come to your verified Telegram wallet here. Now this is for Telegram owners. If you have a Telegram channel, or if you want to take part in this, you can as well go and create a Telegram channel, and then come and copy this link right here and go and paste and go and paste there. So as soon as you create a standby Telegram channel, come here, copy this link, and then when you copy this link, you just head back to your Telegram and just head back to your Telegram and come here and paste that link that you copied from there right here. Okay, as soon as you copy that link, you just paste that link right here, and it's going to display this bot. All right, it's going to display this bot, this first bot. Tap on that TONSO check bot, then come down here and click on this get started. As soon as you click on this get started, you can see that it says analytic bot is running. So you just have to give it a little time. So it only track admins writing channels to verify ownership in the app. Okay, so you just have to give it a little chance to verify your ownership in any of the channel. So what you have to do now is still go back to the app, the TONSO AI app, and then check if that task has been done. Okay, you check if the task has been done by clicking on this section. You verify the ownership after 30 seconds. After 30 seconds of verifying it, these tags will be linked up automatically. After after following this step right here, you have to, within 5 to 30 minutes, your channel will automatically be added to the channel list. Okay, that is after following this step, after adding this bot to your following this step, adding this bot to the Telegram, then and after you see your channel showing verified, then you can now go ahead and remove the bot. Okay, because if you follow this step, your bot is going to be added automatically. Then right here is where you can now decide to add your Twitter. If you click on this connect button, it is going to add up your Twitter for you. Okay,
it's going to add up your Twitter for you. So just click right there to take you to Twitter, where you can go and connect your Twitter. Then here you can come here and connect your wallet. So here you can just go and copy your EVM wallet address, or your, or if you have MetaMask, or let's say Trust Wallet, go and copy the Ethereum virtual address and come and paste right here. Okay, as soon as you copy that Ethereum virtual address, go ahead and click on continue right here, and this tax will be done. All right, go ahead and click on continue, and this particular tax will be done. You can also decide to copy your ton, connect it directly from your ton, or you can use this particular option to do that. All right, then after doing that, just come down here. After connecting your wallet, you go to the earn section and perform all of these tasks. Okay, you go to the earn section, you see a whole lot of tasks there for you to perform. All right, so as soon as you check your details right here, you can perform it will take you to the next step. Here is for creators. If you have done all those tasks that I showed you, this creators button here is going to load up. As soon as it loads up, your channel has been added. You are going to be having a whole lot of tasks here for you to do, and each of those tasks will be giving you 50 points. Each of those tasks you do will be adding more points to you. All right, and then when you go back, you can now go and do other particular tags. Now you can do the tags for this solstice. You can also perform all the tags for this solstice, and you can also perform all the tags for this space and TONSO. All right, all these are tags that you can perform. All these are projects that you can perform under this TONSO AI, this InfoFi project. You can perform all of these. This one, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. You can perform all of these 4 tags. So each of these that you will tap, each of these or this that you tap is going to take you to the next page where you can perform a specific tags on them. Let's say, for instance, I want to perform the tags that has to do with TONSO AI. I'll just tap on check details. As soon as you tap on check details, just come down here and click on where you have these creators. This creators button is going to be highlighted after you have linked all the necessary things that I told you that you should link. After you've linked your channel, Telegram channel, and after you've linked your WhatsApp and your wallet address, this button is going to be highlighted. Then after that button is highlighted, then down here, all the tags are going to be laid out down there for you to do. So the more you do the tags, the more points will be generated for you. All right, so I'll be dropping more guide regarding this update. You have to ensure that you stay subscribed to the Telegram channel and turn on the notifications. Do your best to join the YouTube channel as well, so that whenever I'm dropping this guide as well, you can either have it in both ways, either from the Telegram group or the YouTube channel. So that is how you perform these tasks. If you have any question, leave them at the comment section, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and see you in the next video.